started with walking drill actually first. We just reviewed our walk turning drill. We did followers started with their right, leaders with the left. We just did walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, triple step. You can do that all the way down your hallway at home. Practice your turns. It helps because you turn in different directions each time and you don't get dizzy. Then after that, we did a windmill whip, and it went like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were our first stopping point. And then we did a triple step from here. Triple step, walk, 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 triple step, walk, 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 triple step. That's 3 times now. I'm bringing it out of it. From this side, from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step, walk, 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 triple step, walk, 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 triple step, go for that outside exit. Then we did 3 versions of the lateral sugar push. The first one was 1, 2, 3, 4, free spin. And then we did the hip catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we did a hair drape. I'll do that one from this side. Hair drape. On this one, we're going to change to a right-to-right hand hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to right. Triple step. Hair drape. Anchor. That's pretty much it.
Nice lesson.